Hey there, everybody. Happy Monday to you. It is the Monday after Mother's Day. I was so happy to hear from my children for Mother's Day. What a blessing that is. Today we've got pens, we've got bristle board, and Tammy's got a cup of slightly warm coffee. That stuff floating around in my coffee is cinnamon. I like black coffee. My favorite coffee is Kona coffee. Chris isn't very fond of that, so I rarely kind of have Kona coffee, but that's my favorite. What is your favorite coffee? Do you like coffee creamers and that kind of thing? Or do you prefer yours straight? I know my friend Leanne prefers her straight. All right, we are starting off with, now see, you can tell how long I have had these stored because the rubber band is kind of coming undone. So, project is to get these things rebanded as well. These are Micron. This is Pigma Micron 5, number 1 archival ink for acid-free environments. This is a 0.45. We're going to see how this works. It's cool because it's made by Sakura and it's made in Japan. I really like Japanese-made writing utensils and things like that. So let's just, oh, gracious, okay. So this is still just nice and juicy. Awesome. It's very nice. Okay, so that one's good. I'm going to put that to the side. My plan is, okay, now let's look at this one. This is a Micron 5 archival ink, 0.45, same thing. And you can tell this is, I think this is a navy blue. Yeah, there it is right there. Kind of a bit of a navy blue. That's quite pretty. Again, it's in great shape. It feels really good. No leaking in the cap or anything like that. My idea is to maybe list some of these things in the old Etsy store. Archival ink, I may have said that before, 0.45. So let's see what we got here. Again, this is kind of this is a kind of a mossy forest green here. Love that color. That is working well. I have these pens in repeats. Again, Micron 05, 0.45 millimeter. This is a blue. Quite lovely. So, it's good if you have repeats to not hang on to two of an object, right? Or I think so. Okay, so I might batch the Micron pens together. I'm going to put these, get my rubber bands out. Mia's knocked out. She's had her SNACK. I spell that because if I say it. So we've got these colors here. She bolts upright. It's so funny. I tell you, if they could talk, what stories they might tell. These are Prismacolor Premier. This is a 05 archival quality, acid-free, light, fast, fine line marker. So let's see how this works out. Oh, that is some nice stuff right now. Especially if you are doing the what is it? Neurographic drawing. I'm sure we've all seen Shannon Smith do this. Very nice. All right, I'm going to put that up here. This is, so that was a red. I'm not seeing like colors on here. I'm just seeing like the end of the pen has a recessed spot, and the color is that, not the 05. All right, this is a nice coffee brown. Neurodoodle, that's what Shannon calls it, a neurodoodle. Okay, I mean, that's not bad either. I think these are pens that I have repeats of as well. This is a green. Nice. An orange. Kind of a burnt-ish orange. Like I said, I've had these a while, but if you've wanted like to try these without, you know, doing the, okay, this is a chisel tip marker. Be great for calligraphy. So chisel tip, I'm going to put that over here. See what this one is. Oh, chisel tip. But you could purchase some and check them out and see how you like them, right? I mean, these aren't going to stay juicy forever. But fun to play with, you know, if you're looking for something new. Chisel tip. Now this should be, yeah, this is a fine line. Oh, I love that color, blue. It's kind of a royal-ish blue there. Nice. Plus, if I put these in the Etsy store, they wouldn't be, you know, they're not going to be a whole lot to mail, right? Super cool. Especially if you're doing neurographic drawing. All right, now this one's brown. It might be the same color as this one, so let's kind of swatch this out. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, so this one, that one is like a little bit of a chocolate brown, and this one is a little bit of brownish. Looks like it might have some green in it, y'all. I'm not sure. Okay. All right, so we're finished with our Prismacolors. Let me batch these together. These, and then we have 3 of the chisel tip. So, all right. So we've done the microns, the Prismacolor fine lines, as well as the chisel tips. All right, let's see what else we have over here. These are Pitt pens. Let's turn this way now. I used to, again, I have an extra set. So these are awesome for just adding a splash of color. If you've ever wanted to try these are Faber-Castell Pit Artist Pen. This is dark Naples ochre. The tips on these are good. I haven't squashed them down. I liked them to just add a wee bit of color, and then I think what happened was I received what kind of markers were they? I can't remember, but you know, I got something to that I liked better than these. This is a permanent green olive. This is orange glaze. Like I said, just a way to maybe experiment. I don't know about you guys, but the way that a marker or a pen feels in my fingers is really important to me. I've had pens and markers that I really loved the way that they looked on a page, but they felt awkward when I was holding them. So it's like, yeah, I don't like that. I like the way it looks. I don't like the way it feels. This is, okay, so you can see the end of them, and they're all kind of in this shape. There's a wee bit of, just a wee bit of squashing there. Can you see that? I'm not sure what you can see there. Okay, there we go. But not much. This is a purple violet. This is a phthalo blue. That's pretty. Pretty color. And this is pink carmine. I will tell you that you can't push down on these. Anything is going to collapse that little barrel. So if you collapse the little barrel, do you guys know the trick about taking these apart, dropping the barrel into a bottle like this with alcohol in it, and actually making alcohol inks? You know, you can make your own alcohol inks. Somebody has, I'll try and find a video about making your own alcohol inks out of pens like this and put it in the description box below, so you'll have that. All right, last little batch. Let's see what we have. These are fine point glitter pens. Uchida is the maker. Opaque paint marker. The reason that I'm not going to use these is because when Chris redid my office a couple years ago, when he did the yellow on the walls and the my blue sky with white clouds, he also redid several other things in the office, and he bought sets of not glitter paints, but different set. Now these are glitter and they are paint. Those are really cool. It does have a little mark right there. I forgot to pick these up. with any sort of paint pen, you guys know this, but you have to give it a shake. Press down, and then you're ready. And these are fine point opaque markers. I really like these because the color that is coming out of the barrel is very true to what is on the cap of the pen. I think Chris bought Sharpie markers. Okay, I'm going to take this one out of the mix because it's kind of dried up. So I think what I'll do is probably make some, there's still enough in there that you want to do something with, right? So I think I'll just make some alcohol ink with this one, alcohol spray. I have this bottle, but I don't have any more of these. I bet Mr. Amazon would have some. Should look on there. I'm also wondering about mailing these kinds of things. Not sure. Okay, so that's like a grapey purple color. If it goes first class mail, it should be okay. I forgot to shake. That's pretty because that's kind of like a goldish color. That's really pretty, very sparkly. All right, our last one is a blue. So there we go with that one. And these are glitter, fine point glitter pens. And there we go. Just, you know, still committed to the clearing out of things that I don't use. I don't think it's proper to hold on to things that you just you have repeats of, or things that you or things that you don't use anymore, because lots of people like to experiment with things. So probably going to list these in the Etsy store. I'm really not thinking about price, because like I said, it's something that I've had for a while. All right, chime in about your favorite markers, your favorite colored pens or pencils that you like to use in your art. Thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye.